Which sensor plays a key role in keeping a drone stable despite wind disturbances? Gyroscope sensor. What is the closest star to Earth? The Sun. What is located at the center of an atom? The atomic nucleus. What electrical charge do electrons carry? A negative charge. What is the wind that blows from the sea toward the land called? Sea breeze. What is the region of weak winds at the center of a typhoon called? Eye of the typhoon. What principle allows a vacuum cleaner to suck in dust? Difference in air pressure. What key device enables a robot to make autonomous decisions based on input data and programming? A control unit. In which part of the brain is visual information primarily processed? Occipital lobe. Which law explains the direction of induced current in electromagnetic induction? Lenz's law. What is the basic unit of life that is both a structural and functional unit of organisms? Cell. What is the main cause of climate change? Increase in greenhouse gases. Which organ absorbs water and nutrients in plants? Roots. What is a fault? A break or fracture in the Earth's crust. What is the force called when two objects pull on each other? Attraction. What is the process called when rocks break down to form soil? Weathering. What do we call the dark, flat plains visible on the Moon's surface? Lunar Maria. What role do sensory nerves play? They transmit stimuli to the central nervous system. What do we call the dark plains visible on the Moon's surface? Lunar Maria. Which layer of Earth's internal structure is the hottest? The inner core. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Nitrogen. Can radiation be seen with the eye? No. What term describes the variation in elevation of Earth's surface? Relief. When clouds pass over a high mountain, on which side does it rain? The windward side. Which planet in the solar system has the most moons? Jupiter. By what principle are oxygen and carbon dioxide exchanged in the lungs? Diffusion. What is the largest volcano on Mars? Olympus Mons. Why do two different objects produce different results when the same force is applied to each? Because their masses differ. What is the form in which nerves from the brain and spinal cord spread throughout the body? Peripheral nervous system. What is the outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere called? Exosphere. Where in the human ear is the cochlea, which detects sound, located? Inner ear. What is the main reason breathing becomes rapid during intense exercise? Increased oxygen demand and increased carbon dioxide production. What is the shape of Earth's orbital path around the Sun? Ellipse. What single-celled microorganisms include some that cause disease and others that support gut health or the production of fermented foods? Bacteria. As the distance between two objects increases, how does the gravitational force change? It decreases. What is the process called when water in the gaseous state changes into liquid? Condensation. What are the main causes of rock recycling? Plate tectonics and weathering. What is the phenomenon called when a wave spreads into the region behind an obstacle it encounters? Diffraction. Why do forests contribute to carbon neutrality? Absorption of carbon dioxide. What does the gravitational lensing effect describe? The bending of light by mass. Thanks for watching all the way through. Share your science knowledge in the comments. Your support helps us create even more science quizzes. See you in the next one.